This is feedback for Fatima on WR1 practice essay, week 3 we did. So the good thing is I think you did really good with your format looks good. You really listened to a lot of things I said with the hook. Background information looks good. A lot of the body and the conclusion does look good. So good job with everything. Things I like you to change is, first I have to ask, is this your writing? I mean, this is really good writing. Usually not somebody that can write this at your level, but maybe I'm wrong. So remember, like I told you, I need this to be your writing for me to help you. So if this is not your writing, this is not going to do you any good, because when it comes to the midterm, you're going to have to write it by yourself and no help. So if you need to pick a different topic and write something that's really from you, that's better. But so far, though, I see a lot of good things here. So in the intro, what I say here is delete the text in the beginning. Save the file in the correct format. What I mean is when you go to your file here, this all needs to be deleted. You need to delete all that. You need to save the file with your ID number and 1801, your ID number, 1801-0976, and WR1, right? So that's the file name should be, okay? Also, just some things, some tips. The red means these are things that you probably should delete. You shouldn't write examples in your intro. Also here, you make a good point here, including our age. I would just list everything here. So like our age, whatever other factors that you put here, daily routine, and whatever factors, list them here and then go into them. And I think you're going kind of long in your intro about sleep. I would like not use this last couple sentences and start writing about like some, what would cause people to not get enough sleep, and then you can go into your thesis by saying, so these are some effects. But besides that, a really good thesis statement. I think it looks really good. So good job with that. With the body paragraphs, again, they look really solid, really good. It makes me think that, you might have got some help from somebody or from the internet or something, especially when you're quoting the National Sleep Foundation. Usually a student at your level doesn't do things like that. But I would say that you could add one more point in here. You make 2 good points. I would add one more point, one more mental health benefit. And the same thing for paragraph 2. Add one more benefit or effect from getting enough sleep on your physical health, as you said here. This is the wrong word. That's why it's in yellow. And in the conclusion, you did a great job of restating the thesis. Good job. And I'm reversing the thesis. And I think you do have some pretty good advice here. So good job. Make those corrections and then upload it into week 4 practice essay.